Is it in the back?
Yep, you can open it.
Oh my gosh, what is it?
It's a dog.
It's from everybody.
Oh my gosh.
Kay and Hunter and Chelsea and Tyler too. And everybody here.
Happy birthday.
You have to lift it.
That's totally what I wanted.
And I'm videoing for Kay, so say hi.
Hey, Kay. Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
Now you're not going to want to go to Bristol. You're going to want to stay and put it together and cook.
Oh my gosh, this is too much. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my
Happy
gosh.
birthday. Oh. Mwah.
Happy birthday.
Oh, I love you. Thank you, Dad. You're welcome. Happy birthday. Oh. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Did you get me one?
Get you a big
It's my
one.
birthday too.
Oh my gosh.
No, well, we're going every Saturday afternoon.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, look who's in the car.
Oh.
Oh my
Livy.
goodness.
Here she is. Okay, get Livy.
Did you not see it in my car when you came out to speak to Mom?
I had no idea.
That's why I was driving off and you said, where are you
Say hi to Kay. Livy. Say hi to Kay. Say hi. Uh-oh. Say hi to Kay.
Hi, baby.